Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2021 DRV Mobile Suites. This is the new 41 RKDB. So it's going to be a rear kitchen floor plan with a bath and a half, forward master bathroom. Really nice layout. And if you're looking for something for that long-term stay and want a nice residential feel, this is a great floor plan. You really ought to pay attention to this one, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, so we're inside the new 2021 Mobile Suites. This is the 41 RKDB, as you see, standing here at the rear kitchen, looking out the back window. Very nice floor plan. Lots of counter space. This is going to have the mocha cherry wood, the granite fusion partial paint exterior with the cashmere on the residential furniture. So very nicely appointed. They do a great job at DRV with their colors and their designs. So hats off to them. They do a great job, which is probably why I really enjoy this product and enjoy selling the product. So it is a great product. So this is the rear kitchen. Notice the nice big backsplash, the full-size residential microwave convection, nice big cooktop and oven, lots of counter space. When we walk in the door, we have a nice big slide out on the door side that gives us some nice recliners, a nice big freestanding table and chair that pulls out, two more folding chairs that store away, and we could have a four-person dinette at the table as well. Insulated dual pane windows, overhead cabinetry, plenty of lights throughout, plenty of plug-ins, plenty of USB plug-ins throughout. The nice big Insignia refrigerator with the deep freeze below. Again, like I said, the rear window out the back kitchen. So while you're washing your hands at the kitchen sink, you get a nice view. But actually, while you're cooking, you have a nice view throughout. So anyways, it's a really nice layout. You have to see it. A love seat facing direct onto the big TV. Soundbar below with the television and the entertainment area. Fireplace. Another couch. So we have the couch, we have a love seat section, and we have the recliners. So a nice seating living room for, you know, that on-the-road pleasure, or if you decide to buy something like this and make it your home. So a really nice home atmosphere. Downstairs we have the half bath, and that's where the washer and dryer would go. Would be in the closet of the half bath. That way when you go upstairs into the bedroom, you have the king bed, the slide-out vanity, the nice big entertainment center, and then all the way forward, we have the full master bathroom and a nice deep walk-in wardrobe. You don't tie up the wardrobe with the washer and dryer because it's downstairs in the half bath area. So a really nice floor plan. Tends to get a lot of attention. So this is kind of a reconstructed of the rear kitchen that was a single bath. This is now a rear kitchen with a bath and a half master forward bathroom. If you have any questions on the DRV Mobile Suite product, be sure to ask for me or contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. My direct line is 541-979-1770. This is a great product and I love to talk about it and I love to make it yours. Thank you and have a great day.